we are not going to call this API endpoint frequently. We are going to just do it a couple of times, and we are going to save those products in a database. So it's not going to be required for you to call that endpoint all the time. And you can call it one time, you can save it somewhere in your computer, even in a different file, the response that you get back, and you can see how the response looks like, and you can work with that response. You can build something else upon that response without actually calling the endpoint. That's how I would do it. That's how a lot of times I do it, actually, when I have to work with some kind of external APIs. I do it one time, I get the response, and then I save that response and work with it, and until I have to move it somewhere else.
Okay, but then your response, can you use the methods on the response, like get and stuff?
What do you mean, get and stuff?
Oh, like this get method, get title, right? Can I do it if I just save the response?
Yeah, because this is already a dictionary. This get method is a dictionary.
Yeah, okay.
Because res.json with parentheses, it returns a dictionary. And if you just save that dictionary in a variable, like with, and comment out all the request part, which calls the endpoint, then you would work with only that variable that you saved.